Is it hot?
No.
No? Oops. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Well, that's a big piece. She's not going to take it from you, don't worry, unless you give her some. She's just standing there. What's so funny? Mabel?
Yeah.
You're not going to give her any? Ava. Ava, that book that we got from the library?
Nana.
What baby is in that book?
Facebook.
Which animal?
No.
There's a baby elephant. What else?
Cow.
A what?
A cow.
A cow.
Red cow.
A baby cow? What does the baby cow say?
It's gone.
It's gone?
Right.
What? You want to read the book after you're done eating?
No.
No? Why don't you get your mini